Hey there, ever wanted to create a separate section for your website, maybe for a blog, a store, or a special project? That's where subdomains come in. Today, we are going to walk you through how to easily create a subdomain on NameCheap. Ready to get started? Great. First things first, go to www.namecheap.com. I'm already here. Make sure that you have already logged into your account. Next, head over to the domain list. It's over here. Tap on it. And over here you can see a list of domains that you have. Mine right now is empty because I haven't bought any domain. However, I can guide you through the process. Make sure you have the main domain that you want to create a subdomain for. So as I said earlier, find the main domain you want to create a subdomain for and click the manage button next to it. On this page, look for the Advanced DNS tab, usually near the top. Found it. Now click on it. Alright, almost there. Now look for something that says add new record. It might be a button for a drop down. We are going to add a record. In the host field, type in the name you want for a subdomain. For example, if you want blog.yourdomain.com, just type the blog. Then in the value field, you will enter IP address where you want your subdomain to point to. This could be the IP of your web hosting server. Do you have that IP handy? Double check everything and click save all the changes, usually near the bottom. Don't forget this step because this is the important step that all your hard work results. And that's it. Subdomains can take a little while to go live. This is called propagation, but usually it's pretty quick, so give it a few minutes. Then try typing your new subdomain in your browser to see if it works or not. Let me know in the comments what subdomain you are planning to create. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and happy creating.